Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use the IRS2GO app. IRS2GO is the official mobile app of the Internal Revenue Service that allows users to track their tax refund status, make tax payments, and access tax-related resources. To use IRS2GO, first download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your device. Open the app to check your refund status by entering your Social Security number or SSN, filing status, and exact refund amount from your tax return. You can also make tax payments securely using Direct Pay bank account or a credit/debit card. Fees may apply. The app provides access to free tax help through Volunteer Income Tax Assistance or VITA and tax counseling for the elderly or TCE programs. Additionally, you can stay updated with the latest IRS news and tax tips. While IRS2GO is useful for tracking refunds and making payments, it does not support tax filing. IRS2GO is ideal for taxpayers who want quick access to their refund status, secure payment options, and IRS updates. However, it does not help with tax preparation or filing, so if you need to file taxes, you may need tax software like TurboTax or free file options on the IRS website. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.